How we doing today? Eddie, Multi-Man Services just got done with a gutter clean here today. Wanted to show how everything went, talk a little bit about the process and what we did to get the gutters cleaned. We had 2 bags full of gutter muck and nastiness that came out of your gutters, and we got nowhere to put it on your property, and it's kind of like the end of the season, and so I just thought I'd take the debris with me and figure out what to do with it at home. That's no problem. All right, back to the repair here. We got a bonus service there. The gutter up here was falling off the house, but went ahead and used some rubber grommet screws and got that reattached to the house real nicely, and you're set to go there. The entire gutter, like every other screw, was loose. So I took those out and put new screws in, and it seems like that's kind of the case on the majority of your gutters. Not these ones down here. These seem kind of newer, homeowner, like Home Depot style gutters. Notice on your roof that everything seems to be pretty normal wear patterns. So any questions? Almost dropped the phone.